A very good morning to all my lovely kids. Today we will learn about a new topic in EVS. The name of the topic is our food. So let's start with the importance of food. Why do we need food? हमें खाना क्यों चाहिए? We need food and water to live. जी हाँ, खाना हमें जीने के लिए चाहिए. Good food helps us to grow. We need food because it gives us energy to do many work. For example, to go to school and to play, to run and to study. Now we will learn about who all needs food. Yes, human beings need food to stay alive. सभी इंसानों को जिंदा रहने के लिए खाने की ज़रूरत होती है. Similarly, animals and plants also needs food to stay alive. Insects and birds also need food to stay alive and grow. Now we will learn about the meals we eat. We eat 3 main meals in a day. We have breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. Yes, हम एक दिन में 3 बार मुख्य प्रकार से भोजन करते हैं या खाना खाते हैं. All the 3 meals are important for us. We should not skip any one of them. तीनों समय का भोजन हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है. हमें इनमें से किसी भी समय भोजन करना नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए या भूखा नहीं रहना चाहिए. Next topic is from where we get food. हमें खाना कहाँ से मिलता है? We get food from plants and animals. हमें भोजन पौधों से, पेड़ों से या जानवरों से मिलता है. तो चलिए आइए जानते हैं कि कौन सा खाना हमें पेड़ पौधों से और कौन सा खाना हमें जानवरों से मिलता है. Food we get from plants. वह भोजन जो हमें पौधों से मिलता है. We get fruits, vegetables and oil from the plants. Apart from that, we get pulses, grains and nuts. Now we will learn about the food we get from animals. जी हाँ, अब हम उस भोजन के बारे में जानेंगे जो हमें जानवरों से मिलता है. Like milk product, milk, butter, curd, ghee and cheese. All these milk products we get from animals. We also get meat from hen, goats and sheep. We get eggs from hen and duck. And we get honey from honeybee. Now we will learn about the difference between vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Dear kids, do you know who are vegetarians? Yes, a person who eats only grains, fruits and vegetables is called vegetarian. On the other hand, a person who eats eggs, meat, fish and chicken is called non-vegetarian. जी हाँ, वह व्यक्ति जो सिर्फ अनाज, फल और सब्जियां खाता है वह शाकाहारी कहलाता है। पर जो व्यक्ति अंडा, मीट या मछली खाता है वह मांसाहारी कहलाता है। Now we will recapitulate all the things which we have learned today. So let's recapitulate. We have learned that we get food from plants and animals. Food gives us energy to do different work. We have learned about the names of 3 different meals in a day, and we have also learned about the difference between vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Today we will learn only these topics. In the next class I will take some new topic in our food, like the difference between healthy food and junk food, and we will learn about the good eating habits. Before that, I would like to discuss the homework. So let's discuss the homework. Question number 1 is match the following food with their sources. As you all can see in the picture, I have given some food and you have to match the food with its source. आपको क्वेश्चन में दिए गए चित्रों को देखना है और उन चित्रों को देखकर आप सभी को वह उस चीज़ से मैच करना है जो वो जहाँ से पाया जाता है। Question number 2 is you have to look the given pictures carefully and you have to circle the food item which we get from animals. आप सभी को प्रश्न नंबर 2 में दिए गए चित्रों को देखना है और उसके बाद आपको उस भोजन पर गोला लगाना है जो हमें जानवरों से मिलता है। Question number 3 is you have to write down the name of any food items which we get from plants and you have to draw the picture of any 2 of them in the given box. प्रश्न 3 में आपको पौधों के द्वारा पाए गए भोजन के नाम लिखने हैं। आप किन्हीं 5 भोजन के नाम लिख सकते हैं। वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि कोई फल, कोई सब्जी, और उन्हीं 5 में से किन्हीं 2 के चित्र आपको दिए गए स्थान पर बनाने हैं। I hope you all have got the concept of our food easily and you all will be able to complete the worksheet. अगली कक्षा में हम इसी टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ और पढ़ेंगे। धन्यवाद।